What if I told you that just a few simple reminders could completely shift how you deal with stress, setbacks, and even success? The words you tell yourself daily shape your mindset, your discipline, and ultimately, your life. For centuries, great thinkers understood this power, using it to cultivate mental strength and resilience. Today, we're going to break down 6 powerful truths that you should remind yourself of every single day to develop unshakable confidence, focus, and inner peace. Every day we face obstacles, stress, criticism, frustration, failure. Most people react emotionally, letting their feelings dictate their actions. But those who master self-discipline and mental toughness, they train their minds to see challenges differently. These 6 reminders aren't just phrases, they're practical mindset shifts that will help you stay grounded, focused, and unstoppable. Let's get into it. Number 1. My reactions shape my reality. Most suffering doesn't come from what happens to us, but from how we respond. You can't always control circumstances, but you can control your perception and reaction. For example, imagine someone insults you. You can get angry, let it ruin your day, or remind yourself, my reactions shape my reality. Their words have no power unless you give them power. Choose to respond with strength, not emotion. Number 2, the present moment is all that exists. We often get caught up in regrets about the past or anxieties about the future. But the only thing that truly exists is right now. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Next time you find yourself overthinking, pause, take a deep breath. Remind yourself, the present moment is all that exists. Give your full attention to what's in front of you, whether it's work, a loved one, or your personal growth. Number 3, discomfort equals growth. Most people avoid struggle, but discomfort is where transformation happens. Growth requires resistance, physically, mentally, emotionally. Think about it. Lifting weights tears muscle fibers so they can grow stronger. Pushing through failure builds resilience. Instead of avoiding struggle, remind yourself, discomfort equals growth. Lean into challenges because they're making you better. Number 4, expect nothing. Appreciate everything. Disappointment comes from unmet expectations. We expect people to act a certain way, for life to be fair, for things to go as planned. When they don't, we suffer. The solution? Detach from expectations. Instead of assuming the world owes you something, shift your mindset. Expect nothing. Appreciate everything. When plans change, adjust. When life throws obstacles, adapt. The less you expect, the more you appreciate, and the more peace you gain. Number 5, everything is temporary. Nothing lasts forever. Not success, not failure, not even pain. When you truly accept this, you stop clinging and start flowing with life. Feeling stressed? Overwhelmed? Repeat this simple phrase. Everything is temporary. This moment will pass. Every storm ends. Stay patient. Keep moving forward. Number 6. My time is limited. Make it count. One of the most powerful reminders. Your time is finite. Every second you waste on procrastination, grudges, or meaningless distractions is time you'll never get back. If today was your last, would you spend it scrolling mindlessly, arguing over nonsense, holding yourself back out of fear? Remind yourself daily, my time is limited. Make it count. Prioritize what truly matters. live with urgency, act with purpose. These 6 reminders have the power to reshape your mindset and the way you navigate life. But the key is consistency. Repeat them daily. Train your mind, and watch how your resilience and focus grow over time. Remember, real strength isn't about controlling everything around you. It's about mastering yourself.